Go.
Yeah.
All right. This is another camera we bought for the job. It's the Blackmagic Studio Camera 4K Pro. This is the second generation, as you see, G2. So let's see what's in the box. So open up. We got some welcome material. Um, you can turn that TV down. All right, so get some pamphlets, get some reading material, uh, software stuff. They got instruction manual, some more stuff. DaVinci Resolve comes with it. Now let's see what comes with the plate. So one cool thing, this is the plate that is gonna come on. So it's a nice little slider plate. So you can use this with a nice, pretty substantial tripod, which is pretty cool. They said these things got some of the best values for the buck. So this is a very strong monitor. I had to buy I bought some new tripods ahead of time because I knew that this was pretty substantial. So it's gonna need a nice strong tripod for it. In this little box, I don't know what's in here. Let's see. In the little box, not sure what this even is. Oh, these are the little nameplates, so the cameras can have numbers. So we're gonna have it hooked up to a Blackmagic Constellation. So when it's switching to the camera will light up. So we're gonna put the numbers next to the camera so the people can know. And then if we have our audience listening on the mics, they can know, what camera to look towards. You got the case here. Then in the inside, let me turn it towards you. You got the Blackmagic camera. Check this baby out, man. There's no other accessories in here. So I guess all the ports and stuff is going to be separate. So if you take a look at this, oh, this is pretty substantial. This felt a little loose. This handle here. Hope that's going to be okay. But you're going to have to tighten it up. This thing is pretty cool. This thing is huge. You see a little pop out so you can see what you're doing. So I thought that was pretty cool. This is going to be nice. On here we got XLR inputs. We got 2 audio ins. And then we got a 5 mic comm port. So you can do a talk back. So we'll be able to talk to the Constellation. We can hook our headphones directly into here. With the USB, we got the little locks for the USB. We got the mounts. This is going to be for the pan and zoom on demand. We can do that. Now here's another microphone that we can connect if you want to do the traditional DSLR camera microphones. And it looks like there's a separate headphone jack if you want to listen to the program out. You can speak to it through there. At the bottom, that's the holder. So you can hook it up to the tripod. On the side, this is actually a DC in. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. I don't see any cords in here, so I'm concerned if I had to buy some outside cords. I didn't plan on that at all, to be honest. So I'm kind of nervous right now. Oh, okay. It's a box for the AC, the power supply. Okay, because I was nervous because I didn't order that. This is the 4K series. Right here we have, looks as though, this is a 12-volt adapter. So we got the large DC adapter. We got 12-volt adapter. This is Ethernet. Once we update the software, I'll be able to do the 2110. The 2110 switcher I want to get is not released yet on B&H. So once they get available, our school's going to order that so that we can do the 2110. But for now, for tomorrow, we're going to try the SDI in, SDI out. And that's 12G. So we're going to hook that up. Then we got the HDMI. On the back here, we got color calibration. So you got your 3 color shifts to get a nice picture setting. And then on this side, you could turn on the screen, and we actually have a program button. So you press the program button, and it'll show the program feed. So if I got my camera operator looking, and they want to see what's going on in the show, and they can kind of see what's coming up next, and then they can be ready to show. Right here is the tally light, so that light's gonna turn colors when it's going live. So that's gonna be cool. All right, it's a nice little camera. It's very heavy too, so that's gonna be exciting. I should did this first. I was doing my build out for the rack. I could have been doing this first. This looks a little more fun. All right. I guess I placed this in here. Not sure how that went. And then I'm gonna put this somewhere. And then let's look at the DC, how this looks. All right, with the DC, can't get the box open. Probably should edit this part out. Really? I can't get it. I have no idea why I'm having trouble with the box, but I can't get the box open. The tape is cut. I'm not sure. What is this thing used? It seems like somebody opened it already. I could just open it from the side. Oh, no, thank you. I got it now. This DC power supply. You open it up. Like I thought, you got the 12-volt input that we can use for the power supply. And Black Magic, they usually have the adapters. So you got the European adapters, but I'm from America, so I'm gonna use the American adapters right here. All right, so that's it. Hopefully it works out. Take care. God bless.